In today's video, I am going to teach you how to display menu overlay in Figma. Overlays are perfect for menus because they appear above your current screen without taking you to a new page, which keeps users focused and the flow smooth. Start by opening your design. Make sure the menu is built as its own frame, completely separate from your main screen. Keeping it separate helps Figma treat it as an overlay and makes positioning more predictable. Size the menu frame to fit its contents and avoid extra empty space so clicks outside the menu register correctly. A clear layer name for the menu frame also makes it easy to find when wiring interactions. Next, move to the Prototype tab in the top right panel. This is where all interaction and animation settings live. Select the icon or button that should open your menu. You'll see a small blue node attached to the selected object. Click and drag that node to the menu frame to create a connection. If you grab the wrong layer by accident, just reselect the correct trigger and drag again. With the connection highlighted, configure the interaction in the right panel. Set the trigger to on tap for touch prototypes or on click for desktop flows. For the action, choose Open Overlay. This ensures the menu floats above your screen rather than navigating away, so any context behind it remains visible. Choose a position that matches your design intent. Centered is great for modal style menus, while top left or bottom center work well for anchored dropdowns. If you want pixel-perfect placement, pick manual and position the menu exactly where it should appear relative to the trigger. Under Settings, enable Close when clicking outside, so a simple click or tap beyond the menu dismisses it. Also turn on Add Background Behind Overlay to dim the page and draw attention to the menu. A subtle dark background works well and signals that the underlying interface is inactive while the menu is open. For animation, select Move In if you want a sliding effect, like a menu coming up from the bottom or in from the side, or choose Dissolve for a quick lightweight fade. Move In feels dynamic for panels or sheets. Dissolve suits compact pop-up menus. Now click Preset to see the How Display menu overlay appears. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.